Hello, welcome to BMeks Info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you simple tips to increase your computer performance. Please subscribe to this channel if these tips really help you out at the end of the day. The first step will involve you going to your Windows search bar and type system configuration. And when that pops up, select the startup bar at the top there, and you will have the list of all the applications that boot along whenever you press your computer start button. Most of these applications, you don't really need them, and most of them have high impacts on your boot time. So how do you disable some of these applications that you don't always need? Just go through them and look at the ones that really have high impact on your system by looking at the last column. By the right hand side, you see where the impacts are listed. So check out the ones that have high impact and you don't need them always. Just click on it and go to the top right hand side, and you will either enable it or disable it as the case may be. So you can disable as many applications as you want, especially the ones that really have high impacts on the system. And once that is done, close the window and restart your system, and I bet you your system is going to be faster this time around. That's the first step. And once you are done with this, like I said earlier, just close the window and restart your system. And let me show you the second aspect of it. Go to your search bar as you did before and type system configuration, and when that pops up, go to services. You can see it on top there, just the services, and you have the list of all the service applications that are running in your system. Before you deleting all these service applications, I would advise you copy the name to Google and find out their specific functions so that you will not delete important service applications. But before you even go further, the first thing you have to do is to go down and see a button that says uh, hide all Microsoft services. Check that box if it is unchecked on your own, and the remaining applications are the ones that are not from Microsoft Corporation. So you can delete as many applications as you like here, provided you don't need them. And once that is done, just click OK and apply, and I bet your system is going to work faster this time around. If there is a prompt for you to restart your system after uh, disabling some of these applications, go ahead and restart your system to make the effects to come alive, and that will make your system to really work better. So that is the second leg of this first tip. And the second tip will involve you updating your system, and how to do that is to go to your Windows search bar and type updates, and when that pops up, you are going to see if your system is up to date, and if it is out of date, you are going to see a yellow ribbon and with a prompt asking you to update your system. And as you can see, my system is updating because I set it to update at certain time of the day, but that's not where I'm going. We have to go down and click on advanced options, and here you have so many things you have to really you know either turn off or turn on, as the case may be. For instance, you have the first prompt there that says receive updates for other Microsoft products. In my own case, I don't need to receive updates, so I have to turn it off. And remember, if you put it on, it's going to send updates to you on other products from Microsoft's Office, which you might not even need. So I have to turn it off. And then you have the second option there that says get me updated. If you turn this on, is going to update your system every now and then, and you know that can always consume a lot of data, and it can also restart your system without notifying you, especially if you are working on your system. So I have to turn it off. And then the third option there that says download upon a metered connection, I have to turn this off also, because I don't want that. If you want your system to update itself whenever it is connected to internet, you have to turn it off on. But I don't want that, so I have to turn it off. And then you have another option that says notify me when a restart is required. You have to turn this on, because if you indicated that you want your computer to update automatically, you have to put this on. Otherwise, you will find out that your system will just restart while you are working on it without notifying you. So you have to turn this on every now and then. And then you have another option that set active hours when you don't want PC to restart. So you can also set out time that you wouldn't want your system to restart, especially if you have selected the option that says you can always update your system automatically. So there are other options down, and you have the one that says additional options. If you want to select specific date you want your system to update, you can go down there and choose in a particular days and times of the day that you want your system to update, and just do that, and I believe that is also going to help you out, and that will also make your system to perform optimally. And let me show you the third method, and that will involve you going to your Windows search bar, type run run, and when that pops up, type temp temp and click OK, and that will bring up the list of all temporary files and folders that are within your hard drive. And this, if you don't delete them continuously, they are going to make your hard drive to malfunction, and this will bring down the performance of your computer. So you have to go to your keyboard and press Ctrl A to select all of them, and right click to delete all these temporary folders and files. And once you've done that, restart your system, and I can assure you your system is going to perform better this time around. Don't restart your system once you are done with any of these steps. You don't have to go through all these steps at a time. And let me also show you another important tip that you can always adapt. Just go to your Windows search bar, type run as you did before, and when that pops up, type percentage temp percentage and click OK. And that will also bring up the list of all temporary folders that are generated by the installed applications on your system. With time, if you don't delete most of these temporary files and folders, they will definitely affect the performance of your computer. So just go to your keyboards and press Ctrl A to select all of them, and then right click to delete, and this will make your system to run more smoothly and also increase its performance. Once this is done, please restart your system. Then the next tip will involve you going to your Windows search bar and type disk cleanup, and when that pops up, click open, and it will take you to an interface where you need to clean your hard drive. And as you can see, you have so many temporary files and folders. Some of them are not useful again, and go through them. For instance, you can see that my recycle bin occupies a memory of almost 1 point something gig. So you need to free up space within your hard drive. How do you do that? I have to select the recycle bin, and once that is done, just go down, click the OK button down, and that will delete the recycle bin. And I think something will pop up asking whether you want to permanently delete it. Just go ahead and permanently delete any file or folder you don't like. or you don't want, and that will free up space within your hard drive. And I bet you once that is done, your system will run faster. And then you have another important step also that you can also try, and that involves you going to your Windows search bar and type view advanced system settings. View advanced system settings, and when that comes up, you have to select go under processes, and you have to select the one that says adjust for base performance. Click on it and then select it and click OK, and that will make your system to really work faster. If you want the fast browsing time, then follow this simple tip I'm going to share with you. Go to your Windows search bar, type run, and when that pops up, type inetcpl.cpl and then click OK. Go to connections, and from connections, select LAN settings. I just followed. I hope you can see the way I'm doing it. Just select LAN settings, and then select the option that says automatically dictate settings. Make sure the box is checked. If it's unchecked in your system, check that box, and then go down and click OK and apply, and that will make your browsing time to be very fast. And lastly, let me also show you another important tip that you can always apply whenever your system is not really working fine. And to do that, just go back to the Windows search bar and type run, and when run pops up, type prefetch, 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 and then you have the list of so many files and folders that are not useful to your system. Most of these folders and files drag your system, backwards, and make it very ineffective. So what you have to do is to go to your keyboard and press Ctrl A to select all of them, and then right click on your mouse to delete all these temporary files and folders. And once you've deleted them, go ahead and restart your computer, and I can assure you, you are going to have a brand new computer altogether. You are going to experience a fast browsing time. You are going to enjoy your computer afterwards. Just restart your system, and if any of these tips has really helped you out, please don't just go like that. Please subscribe and share these videos with your friends, and also comment on any of the ones and let me know the ones that really helped you out.